We're back in Florida. Okay, let's find me a life jacket. Okay, so my friend Kyle, she just got to my house last night. Yeah, I was like, waiting.
Hey, we're peaching.
Hey, Dad.
Hello. Hey, guys. Hello. Hey, Kyle. Mess on you.
This is her first time down here at my house, and we are about to go to Weeki Wachee after our long, hard work of painting. Yes. Those 2 hours killed us.
It's the hardest 2 hours of my life, actually.
There you go. There we go!
So we have to make sure that Kelly doesn't throw me off today.
Dude, the dead fish.
It's always me.
It is.
Emma's jet ski isn't starting.
Somehow, anytime Emma gets on a jet ski, it never works out. Emma has officially broken the jet ski.
Yeah, again.
So we're having to go get the other jet ski right now, and we're just waiting on my dad. So they have a new jet ski now, and hopefully, when Emma sits on this one, hopefully it will not die. They already tested it and it's working, so. So while we're out jet skiing today, I did promise Kyle one thing, and it was that we will see dolphins today. So I'm gonna stick to my word. Every single time we go out, we always normally see dolphins, so if we don't, I'm gonna be a little shocked. Okay, so we just made it to the channel and I already saw a dolphin, and we haven't even got past the no wake sign yet. So I saw him like somewhere right there. Okay, so right now we're entering the preserves at Weeki Wachee, and it is honestly probably one of my favorite views just because you can see all the palm trees. There's literally hundreds of palm trees like throughout the whole little ride that we have. Thank you. To Emma, are you getting in the water? She's like, I always look so funny with these goggles on.
It's like, what are you asking me?
The deeper you get, the clearer it gets, and then also if you are on the sides, you see the rocks, you can hold on to the rocks and pull yourself down, so you get to go down so much faster. Come on, Emma!
Pull her.
Go drag her in. It is crazy how nice this weather is, and it's December 10th.
Yeah, it's really nice.
I thought it was gonna be cold.
I'm just cold right now, so I know when I get in,
Oh, I'll say our jet ski ride back.
it's gonna suck.
But we're eating first, right? So we're gonna dry off.
Yeah, we'll dry off. Okay, so this week's edition of What in the Florida, that jet ski said, and that jet ski. And this is the only working jet ski, and I'm having to pull both of them. So help is not going to be on the way for another hour to an hour and a half, so we're just going to chill at this restaurant. Alyssa, they closed off all of parking. Wait, I don't know where to go. Wait, where do I go? Something must have just happened on Upper Deck because you can't park there now, so I don't know where to go with the jet skis. And 2 of them are dead. How about if we just go park all 3 jet skis right there, and then we swim across?
What if you get an Uber home and get your car?
There are no Ubers here in Hernando. Alyssa, I can't turn around. How did you let them go? Okay, we are officially all tied up after that whole thing.
What a day, guys.
You got your key. Okay, now we go eat for an hour until an hour and a half probably. Honestly, knowing my dad, it'll probably be 2 hours before we get help.
Maybe 3.
We could probably walk home faster.
Maybe 4.
Hi jet skis, hope you're still there when we come back. We are jet ski survivors, guys.
We survived. It's a war out there.
If you don't record it, it didn't happen. Okay, so we are now all on the water and we're all heading back. And we have probably about 10-15 minutes until we get to the actual ocean, until we can go full speed all the way back home. And we are literally gonna be hitting it right as the sun goes down. So this is our view right now. There's dolphins. Look! This will be our third time seeing dolphins today. I'm actually very surprised. Oh my